In this lesson, we will answer a common biology question about deuterostomes, and then connect it to a related vertebrate evolution question. Question A. Which of the following statements about deuterostomes is false? We will list the 4 options, then reason visually and conceptually. Here are the 4 statements. A. All deuterostomes exhibit radial symmetry in their bodies. B. All deuterostomes are triploblastic and have 3 tissue layers. C. All deuterostomes have a coelom. D. All deuterostomes share a similar pattern of early embryonic development. The false statement is A. Not all deuterostomes have radial symmetry as adults. Chordates, which include mammals, are bilaterally symmetric. Only adult echinoderms, like sea stars and sea urchins, show radial symmetry. Let's build intuition. On the left, a radial symmetry sketch, like spokes of a wheel. On the right, bilateral symmetry, a clear left and right side. Echinoderm adults tend to be radial. Chordates, including us, are bilateral. Also note, echinoderm larvae start out bilateral and develop radial symmetry as adults. Now, let's confirm the true statements. Deuterostomes are triploblastic, meaning they have 3 primary tissue layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. They also have a coelom, a body cavity formed within mesoderm. We'll sketch a simplified cross-section. Finally, deuterostomes share a characteristic early developmental pattern: radial cleavage, indeterminate cleavage, and the blastopore becoming the anus. Let's list these hallmarks. Now, for a related question about vertebrate innovations. Which structure is not an innovation that occurred during vertebrate diversification? Options: bone, jaws, exoskeleton, amniotic egg. The correct answer is exoskeleton. Vertebrates are defined by an internal skeleton, the endoskeleton. Exoskeletons are a hallmark of arthropods like insects and crustaceans. Visualize the difference. On the left, a simple endoskeleton sketch inside the body represents vertebrates. On the right, an exoskeleton on the outside represents arthropods. And these are vertebrate innovations: mineralized bone, jaws derived from gill arches, and the amniotic egg, which frees reproduction from water. Summary: the false statement about deuterostomes is that they all have radial symmetry. Most deuterostomes, including chordates, are bilateral. True statements include triploblasty, coelomate body plan, and shared deuterostome development. For vertebrates, exoskeleton is not their innovation. They have an endoskeleton. Great work connecting structure and development across these groups.